clock for the start of an Olympic 100.
Welcome to Sports Soccer 345. Kishane Thompson of Jamaica is one of Jamaica's ace sprinter. But recently at the 2024 Paris Olympics, things didn't go so well for him. However, there would have been some lessons learned. But again, what lesson exactly did the 23-year-old take away from the Stade de France with his purple track, which left him devastated by 0.05 of a second? The first thing I've learned after going through something like this is I have to be more patient with myself, he told the paper in France in the days after the race, with the benefit of the replay. The second thing is I need to understand that the last part of the race is the most complicated, and the third is when it's such a close final. I have to big up myself even more. Kishane Thompson is truly a remarkable athlete. He has put down some scintillating times in the short space of his career. He would have gone to France Olympics as the one of the overwhelming favorite, but as you can see, pressure got the better of him. Not that he got beaten by a super athlete that was way better than him, but he got beaten by some technical flaws that he had. However, I am thinking that he's going to work these out, and as you can hear, he has picked up on his mistakes, saying that he need to be patient with his race, and also that the race is not finished until it's finished. Okay, so I think with what he has seen and what he has experienced, it will make him into a super athlete. I am seeing this man running. I am seeing him breaking Johan Blake and Tyson Gay's record of 9.69 seconds and maybe even lower. This man, I think with proper training and with the right coach, he can go far and he will go far. My money is on him. However, also he will have stiff competition because there are lots of guys in the world that is doing well, including the Botswana's athlete. Let's see Tobago. He's gonna be a hard one to beat, but nevertheless, we will see what the future holds. But Kishane Thompson has a bright future ahead of him. I think Kishane Thompson's main weakness is his execution. If he can execute for the full 100 meters, he will be unbeatable. Execute for the full 100 meters. There are talk that he's only running 80 meters and shutting down. This is what he practiced in training. So he came to the Olympics running this way. But when he correct this, I am telling you, he's going to run some fast time. Sports Soccer 345. Keep it locked.